onja yami yazini athi ukubambe futhi athi ukubambe futhi yazini phela ungasayi kulesa strat ne ungasayi kulesa strat yawuthi yami
ngiyama driver mina
oh yeah
ngihamba ngomuntu
oh right efana ngisa podcaster la mfana yazini
ozesha podcast
yabona ama mic intwana everything
ani podcaster nami lapho ning interview njani
ngakhululeka ivoice yakhe itholakele
oh mara batita
how face
awesome Kenzi yeah
ayishbana senzekela ngelirong elaka labantu abadakiwe yo as yeah ne
Yeah.
but
say after podcasting went wrong
ne behind the
Yeah.
went wrong
Yeah, I will right.
content you see
content
you don't have to tell the truth no you don't have to tell the truth you just have to content
lies after lies
we like rappers you know
Yeah.
yeah we like rappers you know with no beats a cappella darling
some vocalists
I'm a vocalist smameli had beats and get on the beat
Dog, did that you?
eating a lockdown
you know umetho lapho ufikile ubheka ipiano umetho
Happy.
but yeah amashita man yazi in relationships nowadays ngayabhora mina ndangayi ukutshela ukutshela manje machita mina I was born in apartheid ndangobe ngihleli nomfazi wami ugogo manje ngumkhulu mina sabazukulu bethu dala sadlula beka manje ntanga ku WhatsApp ntanga lo muntu uthi good night T5
Yo.
bese leyo ku6 bathi hayi kahle actually I'm not sleeping cela uzongilanda lapho kimi bathe good night
bese khona labakwatayo ungamniki imali ucela imali
That's entitlement. Hey, man.
hayi lo angazongenza ubabakhe lo that's why vele ngajuli niche bezingana baba like ngasikisini kusho into le hayi me around it it's not like it's not an insult nje tanga mina ngizokutshela mina ngibone ngama sister wami yathi my sister wami jange like ubabethu was involved empilweni zethu so like how they perceive men is different from like any of those other women ayithola manje yeah when your father is there ntanga ngisho uzokudalela ntanga izinto ntanga uzokuthengela that iPhone ntanga so that mina when I figure I come I share you uyayithola manje mina I'm not gonna take over where you left off no I'm just gonna assist where you need me to assist you uyayithola manje hayi ukuthi manje vele girlfriend allowance impahla clean ikhathi yaseshin unganya hle
ya
demand ntanga like ukuna uzihama ntanga uzifake ecoledini just because that's why I need mina to why ama chance I'm blame when they fake ama personalities just to get late ntanga and that's why bathi kune recruitment budgets ne operational budgets that's why isidiza kakhulu mayisaqala relationship you know must figure part nendawo ayisekumele understand ukuthi baby ne 50 rand namhlanje uyayithola because now I have to keep this shit going and so uzobuya ngelanga so maybe you gonna see each other 3 times a week
so choice
Mara, it depends.
ntanga ngumjwayezanga ngimbonisile ukuthi when we have money this is the type of lifestyle esingayenza these are the type of things type of activities esingazenza yabo as partners
honeymoon phase nemali
no recruitment budgets ntanga phela lo muntu ngiyamsigna you know it's like me being a coach you sign a player ntanga basically I'm asking this person ukuthi come chow my money
Okay, senze kanje. So, phela ngisho points of view. Yeah. So, umbuzo wami mina on the first date. Yabo first link up. Uyoziprepare kanjani wena esumjida?
Like what do you mean is prepare?
Like uziprepare kanjani ukuthi okay, nombona ngisho namhlanje.
Me?
Obviously uzogeza yabo. Like uziprepare kanjani?
Like mentally?
Not mentally, physically. Reality mfethu imali
smell good.
Yabo?
So vele ngibe nginemali, have to look nice. First impressions like
Isikhathi. I think isikhathi siqala lapho. I think mina it's best state your intentions as yabo makahamba tanga. Uyahamba. Awunayo leyo mali.
Mara vele mfethu.
Mina nginemali ngifuna ukuthenga amakota ewe 50 rand ayi2. Ni coke, nemali yakhe ukugibela. Basically ngine 210 mina.
Amara manje uthi
Yebo.
bane like yazi sikakhulumelana. Sikakhuluma ukuthi
But-
like speak for yourself.
Yeah.
Tell, like make
Phela-
the mama understand ukuthi
It's like meeting a bad hoe. It's like
Yeah.
bheke emnandini meeting a bad hoe or randomly.
Yeah.
Finesse yakhe ikhulile lapho. Like yazi nje mina ngishaya nyoba. Nothing else ufuna ukunyoba. Avume. That's intention.
agreement, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a mutual agreement ukuthi yazi okay, macala vele. Yabo. It's like a man who is married and a man who has a side chick. Who side chick? The side chick clearly knows about the main baby. And we are mad ukuthi uthanda liphi plate.
yeah.
Uyangithola. So mina I think nathi as amachita thina tanga sisifaka esigodini kabuhlungu. Because first date kahle it's not even, sometimes it doesn't even have to be a first date. Maybe the fifth date. Yabo. Tanga kuba isese.
Mara lapho ntanga sengicabanga ukuthi
Inkinga ukuthi
awuzikhami yazi machita intombazana ifaka imali esikhwameni ikhipha imali machita.
tanga buchela.
Faka isandla esikhwameni ikhipha imali machita.
Hayi.
Umchita machita uzikhipha imali. Right. So,
Hayi.
no, what I'm trying to say, mamela dog, mamela nje yami. Right. So it's like okay, ngizoyenza example manje. When you first approach her, ne? Or state my intentions wakho.
Yeah.
Right? And the manje ngasho ukuthi you had a plan on how to keep this thing going. Yenzama ukuyenza. Right? So manje if you don't stick to the plan, so uqale wenza ezinye izinto yabo ukuthi yazikhawathi self sabotage le. And yena if your standard of living tanga impilo, if it's not good enough for her, she has to move on. So amachita ntanga yazikhama. I thought, you know why? Yes, you know why.
Pride.
Not pride ntanga. Akana machita khawatha yintanga stigma sokuthi yo lo mangamthola. Sindi makhathini type of body and shit. I thought, amanye amantombazana machita time maintenance. Come on machita asifumene. Uyalapha ubo hayi ukuthi
Nah.
ntanga amantombazana amanye ntanga ngiyakutshela. Yeah. Now, I'm going back to chicks with fathers. Yabona ntanga a chick with a father is way more high maintenance than a chick onganaba.
Aye.
You know why? Ubaba said to set the standard. Right, so Baba gave her the life bekayifuna. Umthathile umfundise Veritas. Now she's at varsity to say UCT. And she has the iPhone, she has the latest phone, she has a car. Zonke lezi zinto lezi uzithole kubani? Kubaba. Right, so mawufika lapha she has all these things when out here. When are you just a nigga from the hood? Right, so maintenance yalezi zinto lezo uzokhona ukumsiza ngazo.
Anye.
Exactly dog, that's what I'm trying to say.
Anye.
Ukuthi ntanga ungena entombazaneni ubona
Mara, where I can feel a hole.
ile nto engizama
I feel it out.
ile nto engisho.
Yeah, where I can feel it, I feel it out.
Uvumelana.
Yabo.
Uyazifaka ntanga.
Trejo Tebucho from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung